Welcome to A Shot of Joe, the place where you come to get enlightened and get empowered. Be sure to click that little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. I'm posting new videos all the time to help you get enlightened, get empowered, see things from a higher perspective, and move your energy forward in a positive way, which of course is what we want to do. So now, as we start 2022, we want to make sure that we really have a good understanding and the ability to master what I think of as your energy field. So all of us we're all energy, everything is energy, and we all are energy within ourselves, and each one of us is vibrating energy at a frequency. So this is kind of the area I always think of where the mystical or the spiritual and the scientific kind of all come together, because it is spiritual, it is metaphysical, but there's also a scientific element to this. So think about yourself, and you're unique. We all are. It's kind of like your fingerprint, right? Your fingerprint is going to be different than my fingerprint. And that's kind of how the world goes, right? So we all have our own unique signature or fingerprint. So what happens is you vibrate energy, and that energy is held in your body in what is called your chakra system. So you hold energy in that energetic field, and that energy vibrates out in that frequency and then creates your life. You start bringing things in, opportunities, positive, negative, whatever the case may be. So we want to master the energy field. So how do I do that? How do I make sure that my energy is in good shape, that I'm sending out the right frequency for what it is exactly that I want to bring and the kind of life that I want to create for myself? So first thing is you have to understand and accept that you are the one creating your life based on your beliefs and your emotions, not necessarily what you do. This is a hard thing for people to kind of grasp, because they're very tied into the idea that they have to do something all the time. Not to say you don't have to do anything, but the idea behind it is to understand that whatever you're sending out at a deeper level, that is what's creating your life. So if you have repetitive cycles of negativity that keep happening to you, like could be in finance. For me, I had a lot of issues in financial early in my life. I went through 2 bankruptcies by the time I was 30 years old. I was carrying energy that was very negative. I felt unworthy. I felt unappreciated. Until I cleared that energy, I wasn't able to start attracting financial success and better opportunities. So it wasn't about, and I was working hard. I was working like a demon. So the idea here behind this is to understand, first of all, that your energy field is going out there and bringing things in, and you have to know how to analyze what's going on. So the next time something happens, I'm going to give you a basic step here. And I'm going to keep giving you more videos so you can keep watching this, and I'll keep giving you more and more. I'll give you these in bite-sized pieces so you can digest it. But what I want you to do is think about this. When something happens in your life, don't overreact. Don't go into your behavior. Don't go into, having drinks or eating or going shopping. I want you to stop for a moment and really say, what am I feeling here? What am I really feeling in this moment? And then understand what you're feeling. And then you'll realize why you created that situation. Okay, that is an important first step to help you begin the process of healing. But until you stop and kind of analyze it and look at it and say to yourself, what am I feeling here? This is the feeling I need to work on. That's the first step in moving you forward. I will be doing a webinar on Saturday, the 8th of January, which is Mastering Your Energy Field. You can join me at spiritualsaturdays.com. I'll go in more detail there as well, really get into it and go through some processes and some steps that you can use. And I'll keep posting videos here on my channel to help you move forward. So listen, have a great rest of your day and a great rest of your week. I look forward to connecting with you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're around this week, go to spiritualsaturdays.com and register for this webinar. It'll really help you go forward. There's a recording available as well. So have a great one. I'll see you soon.